So thank you so much. I mean, pleasure talking to you here at the IAA Media Summit 2026. I mean, how is the overall mood in the global commercial vehicle industry? I mean, we'll start with your thoughts on the same, Mr. Vlaskamp.
Yeah, thank you very much for coming and having the interest. And ER Transportation, there we want to show as truck industry and as MAN Truck and Bus, we deliver. And we deliver is that even we are delivering in a current times where, of course, global tension is high, where also global economics are doing some side steps accordingly. But the good thing is that still transportation is moving on. Customers need new trucks, new transportation innovation through electrification, digitalization, and even we are tapping on the first brinks of doing more trials on autonomous. So we still deliver also when times are going tough.
Okay, right. I mean, interesting way to sum up the current mood in the industry. When it comes to challenges and opportunities, what would the top two challenges be? And on the flip side, what are the top two opportunities that you see globally?
Yeah. Well, when it comes to Europe, of course, the challenges are with the uptake of electromobility, where actually we need the EU to conduct much more the push on driving the electricity grid. We need 50,000 chargers in Europe by 2030 to commence to actually a European target to by then have 30% of the transportation decarbonized, and that will be a huge challenge to take. So let's hope that there is some common sense at the EU now to reiterate this and to drive this forward together with the industry. And then I mean not only the OEMs, but also I mean our customers, the transportation companies. So when it comes to globally, there of course it's basically we see global competition, we see global regional movements or regional blocks, which are actually differentiating from actually the globalization standards we have seen before. But the good thing is that Europe and India have now signed a trade agreement, and we're looking very much forward that we jointly can actually work on these markets together.
Okay. And one last thing, since we're here as a preview to the IAA Transportation, what can we expect from MAN? I'm sure you'll talk about it tomorrow. Of course, we'll see it in September. Can you give us a sneak peek in what we can expect from the MAN booth at the show?
I know for sure that you and your crowd would like to hear this. But there is more about this tomorrow from Friedrich Baumann. So I will not pre-take this. But of course, you can see some smart and good improvements on our existing products, some new ideas, and also some already announced details of, for instance, the electric TGM, our medium-duty truck, which is perfectly for city and heavy-duty city distribution and regional distribution for construction vehicles, beverage vehicles going forward, which we will showcase.
Looking forward to it. An absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.